So you want to move some boxes, and you're cheap like me. You don't want to pay professional movers. Then I have this one amazing tip that will save your back when you're moving. I've moved many times in my life, and to save money, I've asked my friends to help me. I even did the math, yes, on a spreadsheet, and even after paying my friend's lunch, which is rather expensive, and renting my own truck and gear, it's still cheaper to pack and move yourself. But let me clarify, it's only cheaper if you're moving one bedroom. If you're moving an entire family or a multi-bedroom, it's probably best to hire professionals. But after all these years, I've been doing it wrong. I want to save you from making the same mistake I made. What I'm talking about is investing in a good hand truck. This nifty tool will make you move 100% more easy and cause less strain on your back. Now you might be wondering, should I buy or rent one? Well, I say do both. Depending on how many friends and family are helping you, you may even double your moving productivity by having 2 hand trucks. I think having a third or a fourth one might be a little bit overkill. I suggest investing in outright buying a hand truck if you move at least every 2 years. They're handy to have around in general when you want to move your own furniture. The one I got is Cosco Shifter, the 300-pound hand truck that also converts into a dolly or a 4-wheel cart. I really like the design, even though it may not be as sturdy than a full-frame solid hand truck. It gets the job done. I love that it can fold into a compact form with easy storage. My only 2 complaints is that it's somewhat difficult and dangerous to convert this from a hand truck to a full-wheel cart. You need to be cautious and not get your finger trapped when converting this hand truck, because it could snap on your finger and that would really hurt. The learning curve is a little difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to convert it between the 2. As for my other complaint, it's mainly to do with the wheels. The wheels are pretty cheap, they're kind of plasticky, so they don't do very well on grass or rough surfaces. That's probably why you want to rent a industrial grade hand truck with inflated rubber tires. Being tall myself, I really appreciate that the Costco hand truck is pretty tall itself. It's rather ergonomic and very comfortable to move it around. My only main concern is the durability of this hand truck. It's made of plastic, it's not fully made of metal like some of the other ones, so I really hope it can last multiple years. So far, I haven't had any issues, but I've only used it about 4 to 5 times. I'll let you know in the comments if anything bad happens to this hand truck. Now trust me, having the option to convert a hand truck to a 4-wheel cart makes this thing more versatile. A 4-wheel cart can be better suited for certain moving situations, such as moving non-boxy shape objects or stacking a lot of boxes on top of each other. If you opt to rent, make sure you get the strong one that's made of steel. I moved my entire couch with just one other person over one entire block. I had to go from one elevator to another, and the distance was so far. If 2 people tried to move that couch over one block, it would kill our back. I was so thankful to have a hand truck and simply just glided over one block. It was super easy. So next time you move with your friends, you better have 1 or 2 hand trucks on hand. And don't forget to pre-pack all your stuff the day of. Be thankful of your friend's time and try not to be packing on the day of the move. Happy moving and stay safe. Thanks for watching.